pretty much the way it's going to stay here in Metro Denver. We still have a chance for a few snow showers here in town, but at this point, we just don't expect any kind of significant accumulation for most of us in the metro area. That said, at the airport, we have received almost 2 inches of snow, and we have had plenty of totals coming in from the eastern plains, or at least reports. They're not quite totals yet, but Isla 5 inches, Holyoke 3.5 inches. Let's check. Otis had about 2.5 inches of snow, and in Sterling, we have 2 inches of snow. Also snowing, of course, in the mountains. That's the top of the gondola there at Steamboat. You can see those gondola cars moving much slower than usual. They have those on the wind's speed, so they slow them down because there's so much wind that causes all that to rock. Steamboat had 12 inches of snow in just 12 hours this morning. Powderhorn 7 inches out west. Beaver Creek and Granby Ranch reporting about a half a foot of snow from this massive storm that's impacting most of the country. You can see the warm side of it with all the rain from Iowa down into Texas. That's a tornado watch there in North Texas, including in the Dallas area. For us, you can see all the snow that continues to fall on the eastern plains. It's the snow and the wind together creating the blizzard conditions. Where you see the blue on this first alert radar image instead of the white, that's the heavier snow. And you can see that in Morgan County, parts of Weld County, mostly east of Greeley. We've had some periods of very heavy snow. And even in northern Colorado around Fort Collins, down toward Loveland and over toward Longmont, back over toward Windsor and Timnath and down toward Frederick and Firestone, a little bit of snow falling there as well. So again, as we go through the day here along the urban corridor, we can't rule out some light snow or at least a few flurries from time to time, but nothing like the blizzard conditions on the eastern plains. Still looking at the potential for another 1 to 4 inches of snow. It's not like it's an enormous amount of snow out east, but it's the snow and the wind together creating the really tough travel conditions. And of course, that's why most of the roads out east are closed. Meanwhile, winter weather advisory through midnight tonight, or I should say at least through tonight into tomorrow for our mountain areas. Looking at another 4 to 8 inches of snow for many of our ski areas. We saw up there at Steamboat, it's still snowing along much of the I-70 mountain corridor as well, where you'll find adverse travel conditions through tonight. So the first alert futurecast still showing that possibility for a little snow around Denver through this evening. By the time we get to 7, 8 o'clock tonight, the chance is just completely over with. And it will be a chilly night, chilly day here today. Temps in the 20s and 30s for most of us. Tomorrow we may get above freezing a little bit, but not far above freezing. With the wind still blowing out of the north tomorrow, it's going to feel pretty darn chilly. High temperature only 36. Then on Thursday, 32. We stay cold through the weekend. This is what makes this forecast unusual. As you know, Michelle, we're used to storms this time of year, but then we warm up. No big warm up coming anytime soon. In fact, another storm comes at us early next week. And that could drop overnight lows into the single digits and bring us the chance for some snow in the days before Christmas. So that could mean a white Christmas. So we'll keep an eye on that. And then for our tour drive on Thursday, it'll be chilly. Temperatures start out in the teens. We'll be in the 30s in the afternoon. But don't let the weather stop you from dropping off a few toys. We'll be at the King Soopers, Colorado and Yale, and then 225 in Park.